everyone, this is Arham here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the all new 2020 MacBook Pro 13 inches. So it comes in this kind of a sealed cardboard box. Let's open this up. We have to pull the seal here. Well, the model I have here is the base model, which comes with the Intel Core i5 8th generation. This says MacBook Pro right here. Now let's take this out and have a look at the main box. So we have a simple box here from Apple. It says MacBook Pro, and on the back side we have the MRP and the specifications mentioned. Now let's peel the plastic and go ahead and unbox it. We have the laptop up front. The one I have here is in space gray color. Let's keep this to the side and see what else do we have here. I guess this is just some paperwork. Oh, here we have the special space gray Apple stickers. Next, we have the Type-C charging cable, which is 2 meters long, I guess. And finally, we get the power brick, which has an output of 61 watts. So this is a simple packaging we have here from Apple. Now let's have a look at the laptop itself. It is pretty lightweight and looks beautiful in this color. So this is a unibody metal design, and it is made entirely from recycled aluminium. Now let's try the one finger lift. Oh yeah, it does succeed. And the laptop turns on automatically. So we have the new Magic keyboard here with a good key travel, unlike the old butterfly switches. So let me set this up and we'll have a look at it later on. This laptop has a gorgeous retina display with True Tone technology. It has a fairly large trackpad too. Rest of the specifications will be mentioned in the description. And this is the touch bar, which is quite unique and has some good handy features. So thank you guys for watching. Do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Also share the video and subscribe if you haven't already.